everybody, it's RainbowDroidMan. Most of you guys don't know this, but I have a Minecraft public server. It's a public creative server. I tried a public survival server. It didn't work out so well. Anyway, it's kind of tricky to get into the server. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to get into it. There are two ways to get in. I'm mostly going to show one, though we'll explain the other one at the end of the video. There's more information on the server at the end of the video. Now, to get into this, you're going to need a multiplayer for Minecraft. So, for this, you need right here, the Open Game Network. It's 99 cents, but that dollar is worth it. I use this app all the time to get with other players. It's definitely worth it. So once you get into it, like you just open Game Network app. There are multiple apps made by the same company. There's one for Terraria, another one for Asphalt 8. Which I can tell you the Terraria one works too. I don't have Asphalt 8, so I don't know if the other one works or not. So for this, you try to create a server, join a server. I'll check your connection. Connection error, check setup. So you have to go into your setup, which for this, you need a virtual private network, aka VPN for this. So click button. It'll take you to your browser. For me, I use Safari, so it'll take there. Well, the Open Game Network connection setup info. So to set up a connection, you need to install one of them. For this, I installed here the Safari. Website's trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? You have hit allow and download the profile. Click back into your settings, and you'll see that the profile is downloaded. So, click install here. It doesn't work for me since I've already installed it, but for you it should work. If not, tell me. I can help you with the problem. So, once we have that downloaded, we get back into here. So you can either create a server or join a server someone else made. Just know that the server, it's not something where it's just there. You have to be in the world for it to work. It's not like a realm. So, oh wait, shoot. Forgot you have to, you have to install, connect to the VPN, of course. Can't just install it. There we go. That should work, so connection's ready. You can join a private game. There's a 6-digit code. The other person who has it should tell you what the code is, and then you can just join public games, install all games, and then you can create a server, which is what I do. There's a private server, which means they have to put in the server code. The server code is right up below the create server. It says that the connection is ready. Right there, there's the code. There's also the public IP, which is for typing it in like just a regular server. But you can turn it on or off. I just leave it off so that people don't try to get in with that. It makes things a lot more complicated. So you can have public or private. And then that's pretty much it. Well, for non-iOS users, you can join me with an Xbox Live. I've shown you before that Xbox Live names. You can join me through there. Servers are always public on Xbox, though it doesn't always work with actually connecting. So this always seems to have a better connection. There's also a little time killer here. So these servers run 3 o'clock p.m. Central Time, right? Central? I think that's what it is. If not, apologize if I don't have the right time. I forgot to check. Like, every day the creative server, like 3 o'clock Central. Well, 3 o'clock PM, not AM, of course. 3 PM Central Time. Daily, almost. Sometimes I don't end up getting to it, but hopefully I do. So, that's how you'll get on, how to get into my servers.